see some snow behind Russ still more than a week after that major snowfall that we had, and now we're starting to see it melt, whether in Geist or elsewhere.
It's melting.
It's melting. I'm melting. It's not done yet, and it's cooling off again, but the temperature that was at 54 is now down to 44 in Geist. That snow did melt off considerably, but there will be more tomorrow morning when you wake up because we're going back below freezing. But this was a nice jump in the temperatures today. We were looking at the numbers yesterday, and it was as warm as 56 in St. Louis. It was in the 70s out in Kansas City. And the feeling was that we were going to have the warmest weather in weeks, and we did. But we really outbested and jumped into the 50s because of the sun hanging around and the delayed wind shift of about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. A cold front passed. But it's not one of those polar or Arctic fronts that we've been engaged with for weeks at a time. It is still a 50-degree temperature on the sensor here on the south side at UIndy. Snow melting off, still quite a bit of it there, but watch this time lapse and watch this cart path begin to emerge. You're going to see the transformation from what had been snow on the ground for over 2+ weeks here at Hickory Stick Golf Club to at least signs of spring out there. A little bit more patchy in nature in terms of the snow as we continue to drop the temperatures here a little after 6 o'clock, and the thermometer reading is beginning to slip as well. That sun angle is getting higher. The toll that this will take on the extended nights here of cold air and the prospects of bringing that Arctic air is slow, but it will be underway here as we continue to move away from the first day of spring and winter and start moving towards spring. We gain an hour and 4 minutes of daylight in February. We can have some awfully warm weather in February. It's a month that can bring some wild swings as well. But this swing right now is the product of a pattern change. We've been as high as 77 degrees in February, and typically we'll get our first occurrence, a one-off day. First one of the year is usually around mid-March. Well, today's temperatures were at mid-March levels. In fact, maybe later March, about the 20th, 25th. Temperature this afternoon reached 56 degrees, but look how quickly we've cooled now to 47. Winds have changed direction. Cooler air is spilling in. Overnight, we do drop back below freezing. And so that's important tonight because things that have been melting throughout the day are going to freeze back up overnight. So what looks like to just be a puddle of water, it will likely be ice by daybreak. There's no Arctic air behind this front, but it is getting cooler. Temperatures over the next few afternoons are not going to be as warm as they were today. And after reaching a preliminary high of 56, that will be updated. Look at that, it was 66 in St. Louis. Our air is now coming in from the north and west, and that means a little bit more of a seasonal feel. But look what's up to our north and west. It's not another one of those big blasts of Arctic air. Remember watching this and look at these numbers. It's 50 degrees below zero in far northern Canada and over towards the Northwest Territories. That cold Arctic air is going to be bottled up and actually transferred more to the west over the next couple of days, which means we get away from that polar branch of the jet stream. We bring in more of a flat, if not southwest flow, which would mean milder than average temperatures for the foreseeable future. There will be some dips. There's one coming in tomorrow, so that means Wednesday, Thursday will be a more seasonal brand of air, but there's no real major storm systems coming our way. As this front settles south, we'll start to clear out. Tomorrow will be a nice day, but just not quite as warm as today. Highs will top out closer to 40 degrees. By Thursday, we've got a fairly cloudy sky and temperatures that will likely only run in the upper 30s to lower 40s, but that's more seasonal feel. Thought was maybe a few flurries could pass Thursday night, but by and large, things are looking dry, and it will get milder. We'll have a rebound over the weekend. As it stands right now, the southern storm system, which has been on again, off again in the long range, seems to be far enough south that it should permit our temperatures again to climb to near 50 degrees over the weekend. But there's the Arctic air, and it's not coming south for a little while longer, at least through next week. So the temperatures and this thaw are going to be underway during the afternoon hours. We'll refreeze at night, like tonight, down to 29. Back to 41 degrees tomorrow. More clouds Thursday and a high in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees. But we're set up for a real pleasant weekend. One of the mildest weekends we've had in months. Seems like it, probably since early January at least. And the temperature for Valentine's Day could reach 50 degrees. And for now, I'm keeping the rain chances out of the weekend forecast.
Oh, look at that. Cupid warming our hearts and our temperatures out there. Brian, thank you. Now turning